Are you running out of space, but still need full-sized laundry power? Then you're in the right place, because a best stackable washer-dryer is the ultimate solution, saving your valuable floor space without sacrificing cleaning performance. In today's video, we're diving deep to review the top-rated stackable washer and dryer sets on the market. We'll find out which ones deliver the best performance, durability.
Product number 1. Black & Decker Washer. Experience Black & Decker Washer. 2-in-1 washer and dryer. Enjoy freshly laundered clothes, towels, and other garments whenever you want, thanks to this phenomenal Black & Decker washing machine and dryer. Who needs 2 units taking up twice the floor space when you can have just one in this compact washer-dryer combo? Select your wash and dry cycle. Our phenomenal Black & Decker front-load washer-dryer, 16 cycles you can choose. My Cycle, Quick Wash, Delicates, Wool, Baby Wear, Sanitary, Cold Wash, Tub Clean, Normal or Cotton, Permanent Press, Heavy Duty, Bulky or Large, Sportswear, Spin Only, Drain Only, and Rinse and Spin. Product number 2. Washer-Dryer Stacking Kit, 29-inch. Experience Washer-Dryer Stacking Kit, 29-inch. Patent-pending Kiss Core Washer-Dryer Stacking Kit meets the requirements of life use with a unique product and appearance design that fits most brand models and a wide range of usage scenarios. Stacking Kit applications. This washing machine stacking kit be used to help you install the dryer on the top of your washing machine, which greatly saves your storage space, making your living space more tidy. Product number 3. Upgrade Washer-Dryer Stacking Kit. Experience Upgrade Washer-Dryer Stacking Kit. Washer-Dryer Stacking Kit Universal. Kiss Core Stacking Kit is a special space-saving washer-dryer stacking kit that makes it very easy to stack washers and dryers to maximize the efficient use of limited space. Adjustable Stacking Kit. Universal Stacking Kit for 29 to 24-inch washer and dryer. Maximum product size is 29 inches W by 29 inches D by 0.43 inches H. Stacking height is 0.43 inches for more different size washer-dryer stacking kit. Product number 4. Splendid WD-V2200XCD Combo Washer-Dryer. Experience Splendid WD-V2200XCD Combo Washer-Dryer. Item package dimension: 33.2 L by 23.5 W by 23.5 H inches. Item package weight: 155.0 pounds. Item package dimension: 33.2 L by 23.5 W by 23.5 H inches. Item package weight: 155.0 pounds. Item package quantity: 1. May not be suitable for all product users. Some users might prefer different features. Product number 5. Summit Appliance SPWD2203P 24-inch wide 115V washer-dryer combo in platinum for non-vented use. Experience Summit Appliance SPWD2203P 24-inch wide 115V washer-dryer combo in platinum for non-vented use. Combo washer-dryer creates a full laundry station to a compact 24-inch footprint. Attractive platinum finish brings a unique look to the home. Combo washer-dryer creates a full laundry station to a compact 24-inch footprint. Attractive platinum finish brings a unique look to the home. Designed for 115V non-vented use, may not be suitable for all product users. Some users might prefer different features. Check latest price.